The incredible edible egg is important in most cultures. Eggs have an oval shape with two ends, and the air sac is in the larger end. The air cell forms when the contents of the egg cool and contract after the egg is laid, and that's the crater often seen at the end of hard-cooked eggs. The larger the air sac, the older the eggs. The protective eggshell is made of calcium carbonate, and it is amazing that there are about 17,000 tiny pores which allow air and moisture to pass into and out of the eggs. The major components of an egg include the shell, two membranes, albumin, yolk, chalazi, and the vitelline membrane. The albumin contains 10% proteins and 90% water and becomes a chick after 21 days. The negative charges of the amino acids repel each other and make the egg white, watery, and loose. The yolk contains water, protein, lipids, vitamins, and minerals, and the lipids help to make the yolk less fluidly. So, how do we cook the incredible and edible eggs in the kitchen? First, add oil to a hot pan and spread it evenly. When heating, the egg molecules move faster and collide with each other. The weak chemical bonds, which curl up the proteins in eggs, then break with continuously heating. The broken bonds form new bonds with other proteins, capture the water, and prevent the water from flowing around. And then, the eggs start to coagulate. A little tip here, when frying an egg, the butter's saturated fat and natural emulsifier prevent the egg from sticking better than the oil does. First, boil some water, but be sure not to put too much water in the pot. And it's always a good idea to poke tiny holes on the larger end, so the eggs won't crack in the boiling water. Now, add some tap water to the pot and put the egg in. Make sure the egg is fully submerged. The proteins in egg white and yolk are not the same, so that the temperatures for gelling are different as well. Usually, the gelling temperature for egg white is around 145 degrees Fahrenheit, and it is 150 degrees Fahrenheit for the yolk. So, if you're making hard-boiled egg, keep the water boiling with egg in for 8 to 10 minutes, and turn down the heat and take out the egg after 6 minutes for soft-cooked eggs. Let's see the magic. Can you tell which one is which? In a hard-boiled egg, the texture of chalky yolk and the rubbery egg white is because there's fat in the yolk but not in the white. And in the soft-cooked egg, the white has already been solidified while the yolk is still watery. Another way to make soft-boiled egg is to add vinegar to the boiling water. It helps to speed up the coagulation of the egg white and prevent it from feathering. The stirring of the water also helps to keep the shape of the egg. It is really delicious to serve it with brown sugar soup. When making steamed eggs, first we need to mix the yolk with the egg white and add some water to the mixture. When the egg white and yolk are mixed together, the air bubbles created are incorporated into the water in protein solution. Proteins unfold and refold to create a net that captures water and bubbles, which expand as the air inside heats up, and the network surrounding bubbles solidifies in the heat without collapsing. When water is added to the mixture, it takes longer for the egg proteins to foam and expand before setting. And the adding of sesame oil, soy sauce, and green onions builds more flavors to the egg. Now, let's take a look at other special eggs. They are common in traditional egg dishes in Asian countries, especially in China and Korea. The dark one is called preserved egg, and it is made by putting a dark egg into muddy water and cover it with lime and plant ash, and then sealed for a week. The other two are called salty eggs, and they're made by brushing the egg with distilled wine and then cover the egg with salt and seal it for 45 days. Hope you like eggs more after watching this video.